Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping to my channel, my name is Atuneke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous DIY short curly wig. I already showed you guys what I'll be using from the beginning. I show you guys two wig cap. If you don't have the one I used in this video, so you can easily use that dumb wig cap I show you from the beginning of this video. Showing you how I cut the hair. I took one strand of the hair, I folded it into two, then cut it into two. Then one part I cut it into three, but when I started crocheting the hair was too long, so the two I cut it into two. I took one part, then I cut it into four. Just keep on watching. I don't know how I'm going to explain. So I section one hair into six, yes, into six before I start crocheting. I section one into six, so that is what I'm crocheting now. So just keep on watching. I'm still going to be showing you how I cut the hair into four. So one strand of hair, I cut it into eight. That is what I want to say. I cut it into eight. I fold it into two, then cut it into two. Then one part I fold it into two again, then I cut it into four. So total strand, I divide the hair into 8 pieces. Showing again what I was trying to explain. One strand into two, and now we'll cut it into two, that is 4, then cut it into two again, so that is going to give us 8. So that was what I was trying to explain. I use only one pack of hair, but I would advise you, if you want to make yours, purchase 2 pack so that you can use 1.5 pack. Yes, so that the hair will be enough. You won't manage it like mine, so purchase 2 pack would be better. So I just keep on crocheting. So you have to crochet small quantity. That was what I was trying to say, that I section one strand of hair into 6 pieces. So I just keep crocheting. I really love the outcome of this hairstyle so much. So I'm going to be showing you a pin now. I really prefer this pin more than T-pin. T-pin always stuck to the hair if I use it to hold a wig down, if I'm trying to make a wig. So now this is the lace I'm going to be showing you that I'm using. I purchased this lace on AliExpress. I'll drop the link down below also. So I just cut a little out, then use this pin to hold it down. If I use T-pin is going to stuck to this net. So that was why I went to purchase these pins. They are really better than T-pin for me. That is what I thought. I'm comfortable using this. I just decided to allow you guys to know why I'm using this, so I'll stop using T-pin. So I'm just sewing it down. That is how I'll sew it round. So just showing you. Can you please keep on watching? I'm going to be using this concealer just to demarcate where I won't be crocheting on. That is the parts. So I'm going to be using this concealer so that I won't crochet over. It was not showing very well. I have to make use of the stick concealer, as in what I dip into the concealer. I have to make use of it to make it show very well. Do you grab that? Showing you how I'm dividing the one I'm using on the lace. I'm going to divide one into 10 because it has to be very, very tiny. So just showing you how I'm sharing it. I'm going to divide into 10. Then this is a crochet hook I'm using, a very, very tiny crochet hook. I really love this crochet hook so much, very comfortable to use than the one I show you from the beginning, one that has a, let me say, brown something at the down. I prefer this one. I purchased this on AliExpress. I'll drop the link in the description box below also. So now I'm just crocheting it. Yeah, crocheting the hair. So just watch the way I'm crocheting. I don't really know how I'm going to explain this part, so just watch it. You have to crochet a little quantity if you want the lace to look natural, as if you bought the hair and as if it's a wig also. I just keep crocheting. This side does not really take time. The crochet part, as in the lace parts, does not really take time. Also, maybe because I use small quantity of lace, does not really take time, because you know, to crochet is very easy, but this lace took time than the normal crocheting on the cap. So not that it does not really take time, but for me it's still easier for me to achieve. So now after I finish crocheting the hair, I'm going to be putting the wig on now. Our advice, if you want to wear it, just use a black cap. I end up changing to a black dome cap, so just cutting the excess lace off, so you can see what I meant by using a black cap. So I end up changing to a black cap now, just trimming down the excess. That was why I said from the beginning that it was too long when I cut into 3, so that was why I cut it into 4. So now I'm going to be using this olive oil mousse just to bring out the coils very well. You know what I mean? That's why I said you have to use 1.5. You can see the black was not really full the way I wanted it. I'm still going to make a black color. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Please support your girl. Make sure you like. It's very important. That will help me a lot. I really appreciate your support and love. Thank you so much for seeing my video. Bye. I love you. Mwah.